Hi guys, welcome back to That Girl Diary. C9 here. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Go ahead and pause the video. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share this video. This video is gonna be about new skincare products that I got last week. I wanted to actually give you guys a real honest review, and I wanted to actually use the products to see. So the products that I got, it's 1006, the formula 1006. I got this from Ulta. So I got this travel kit. It comes with a peel mask, what's this? Deep pore cleanser, a face cleanser, and in the back you have these wet wipes for cleansing your face as well. And then I have Formula 1006. It's picture perfect daily moisturizer. I've actually had this before, and I did like it when I purchased it the first time. This is like a couple years ago. And I liked it. When I ran out, I just never ordered it. I mean, nothing wrong with, I actually like this. Nothing wrong with it. This is for combination skin. And I'm not a dermatologist, just FYI. I just know it works for my face. I'm more on the dry skin side, but I do have times where I get a little bit oily around the T-zone area. So I do like to use combination skin. I don't like to use products that's just for oily skin or just for dry skin. I like to get both. And it has SPF 15 in it, so it's really good to use, you know, when the sun is out. So let's go through this little package. I got both of these for the total was like $10 and some change, and it was because of it was a sale. It was buy one get one free. So I'm gonna go through all of these packets. To begin, I use this first. It says you know, gently sweep over your face and neck. So I always start off when I'm using this kit, I start off with the cleanser, the face wipes. Now, when it comes to this peel mask, I do not use this every day because I don't have time in the morning. I've used this twice. I used it today and I used it 3 times. I used it today, the first day I got it, and then one day in the week, and it was like maybe bedtime. You put this on your face for like 15 minutes and then peel it off. This has a really nice smell to it. It's papaya and citrus. Yeah, really nice smell to it. I like the packaging. Like, it's really cute. Let's see. The face cleanser. Whoa. Okay, so this mask. The only thing is for like skin brightening. I always have trouble with peel mask. Like, it doesn't peel all the way. It's not. It could just be me. It could be me, you know, user error. This, I actually like this facial cleanser. It really is like soapy. I feel like my skin feels really fresh and clean after I use it. I don't like the smell. Okay, the scent is passion fruit and green tea, right? but it smells like. You ever been to a public restroom? You go to a public restroom and the type of sanitizer that they try to use to like deodorize the air and stuff in there, this is what it smells like. I mean, it's not super bad, but this scent takes me back to like a public restroom. That's just me. It doesn't stink. I personally just don't like it. But I do like that it makes my face feel really clean after. It's not leaving my skin dry at all. This little bad boy, whew. This is So Totally Clean Original Formula Acne Treatment. Now the directions tell you to clean the skin. So this is how it goes. I will use this first, then use the cleanser, and then I'll go in with this. That's the order of my process. And then after I use this, I'll put the moisturizer on. So this one, it says, cleanse the skin thoroughly before applying. Moisten a cotton ball. Cover the affected area with a thin layer. So I think I have a picture of how my skin like broke out. My skin went freaking crazy. Time of the month, y'all, my skin went bananas. Like you can still see like all of this right here, right here, right here. Like last week, it was at its worst. It was like really inflamed and just, I usually don't break out this bad, but last week, I don't know what was going on. I feel like my bumps were like, like way out there. But they're slowly going down. I mean, I have makeup on now, but they're slowly going back down. This side has cleared up a lot. Like a lot. This side is still a little bit of trouble, but using these cleansers has really helped my skin. It really has. And then the moisturizer helped too. Now, would I buy these products? Yes, I've had it before. I liked it then. I still like it now. I would definitely buy this again. I personally would not buy all of these separately. I would just keep buying the kit. It came in here. So I would just keep buying the kit. Though I do like the cleanser. I do like this acne treatment. I'm not really a fan of a pill mask anyway. So, and it was less than $10. Surprisingly, this was actually less than $10. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.